They solve complex problems, debate philosophy, and maybe even code in their sleep. But when it comes to love, total disaster zone. Why do some of the smartest people struggle the most in relationships? Stick around, this might explain a lot. Reason number one, they overanalyze everything. Smart brains don't switch off. They dissect every word, tone, and hidden meaning. While most people enjoy a simple good morning text, geniuses are decoding it like the Zodiac Killer's cipher. By the time they decide if they like someone, the other person has already moved on. Reason number two, they value logic over emotion. Love isn't a math problem. It's messy, irrational, and emotional. But highly intelligent people often approach relationship like a science experiment, trying to optimize compatibility. Newsflash, you can't spreadsheet your way into chemistry. Reason number three, they are terrible at small talk. Dating requires small talk. Unfortunately, most intellectuals would rather discuss coding than Netflix. While others bond over pop culture, smart people accidentally intimidate potential partners with their tech talk conversations. Reason number four, they have extremely high standards. Smart people don't just want a partner, they want a mind mate. But holding out for someone who debates over coffee might mean missing out on amazing people who bring warmth, humor, and balance to their lives. Reason number five, they fear vulnerability. Intelligence can be a shield. They are used to being the smartest person in the room. But love requires admitting you to don't have all the answers. Opening up means risking failure. And for people who pride themselves on competence, that's terrifying. So, now you know the signs. If this hits home, here's the good news. Love isn't about being the smartest. It's about connection. Maybe ease up on the overthinking, embrace the awkwardness, and let someone in. Who knows? Your brain might not be the only amazing thing about you.